One of the reasons why I chose UTMB is because I read the book The Hot Zone and watched the movie Outbreak. And it's amazing to be working side by side with these individuals that I just read about. I've been fascinated by viruses, and the ability to work with some of the most dangerous pathogens in the world with excellent professors was really appealing. I did my undergrad at the California Institute of Technology, and I worked with the attenuated strain of yellow fever at a biosafety level 2 lab. When coming to UTMB, I had the amazing opportunity to do research under biosafety level 4 in the Galveston National Laboratory. During my time at UTMB, I did a PhD in experimental pathology, and in a PhD you focus really specifically on a topic. And I also did a master's in public health on epidemiology, and that gave me a wider focus, so I can not only learn a lot about viral hemorrhagic fevers, but also about the countermeasures that work against those groups of diseases. At UTMB, I worked with Dr. C.J. Peters, also known as the virus hunter, on attenuation mechanisms of viral hemorrhagic fevers. As you are well aware, viral hemorrhagic fevers have been in the news recently. Ebola is an example of one of them. Work in the Galveston National Laboratory, it takes an extensive amount of training. Took me a couple years, including work at biosafety level 2, mentorship, didactic learning, and hands-on training at biosafety level 3, and then finally suit training, facility training at biosafety level 4. So UTMB gave me unique experiences, including working at maximum containment, but I also got to go on several international trips, including a field epidemiology course in Peru, and I got to work in Argentina for a couple months. So the field epidemiology course in Peru started out in Lima, Peru with a classroom portion. We then got to go to northern Peru, a city called Tumbes, and actually perform hands-on fieldwork. In Argentina, I had the opportunity to work in a laboratory on Junin, which is the etiological agent of Argentine hemorrhagic fever. I also had the opportunity to do field work looking at yellow fever transmission in northern Argentina. After graduating from UTMB, I had the opportunity to go into industry, academia, or government. Because of the impact that I could make, I decided to go into government. I am the senior biological scientist at the United States Government Accountability Office, and I work on biosafety and biosecurity issues. I work to translate scientific literature and information and make it understandable for non-scientists, including US Congress. For students interested in attending UTMB, I would say that this is a world-class facility, a premier institution, and Galveston Island is a fun place and very reasonable cost of living for a graduate student.
UTMB Health, working together to work wonders.